Okay, so how do we get AI to think less like a machine and more like, well, us?
The thing is, building truly smart AI is really tough. Our usual tools just don't cut it.
See, most AI pipelines are like a one-way street. They go forward, but they can't turn back.
And that's the problem. A one-way street just isn't enough. We need a better map. And that's where LangGraph comes in. It's designed to break free from that linear trap.
At its heart, you've got nodes. Think of them as action stations where all the work gets done.
Then you have edges. They're just the pathways connecting the nodes, telling data where to go next. But here's where it's really cool. The true game changer here is the idea of cycles. Unlike that one-way street, LangGraph lets AI actually loop back around to rethink things.
This means the AI can think, check its work, and if it's not right, try again.
Its other superpower is being stateful. In simple terms, this gives the AI a memory. It can remember the context of the entire interaction, just like you would in a conversation.
So now, your chatbot can actually remember what you asked 5 minutes ago. No more starting over.
So when you combine those loops with that memory, you get something incredible. Agents. These are agents that can perceive their environment, make a decision, and then act on it. For developers, this is amazing. You focus on the logic, and the graph handles all the complex stuff. So, the takeaway is simple. You get to control the flow and build the next generation of AI.
So the real question is, with this kind of power in your hands, what are you going to build?